Take 4. Hi guys, Chip here, and today I will be showing you how to fold the Action 70 first generation. So here's a short comparison. They're very similar. The first generation has a smaller action fin. Also the angle is different. And it's also a little longer. The first generation Action 70 is actually a little more similar to the Action 8 or A8, because it's just A8 with a different angle and blunt nose. So it flies actually very similar to the second generation one. It just is not as good at gliding. It can catch wind like the Action 90. And actually, it makes sense that's like the A8, because the A8 is its indirect predecessor. Like, technically, its predecessor was same as the refreshed Action 90. Its predecessor was the Action Super Action, or A94, but they're very different. It's more similar to the A8. So, yeah, let's get folding. So the first thing you want to do is get your standard letter size piece of paper. Then you want to fold it lengthwise and make sure it's as accurate as possible, so you can get a nice and even and streamlined plane. There's my wrist. You want to get a good crease in there. And then you want to unfold it and fold down the top two triangles like pretty much every other action and plane in general that I designed. So this uses the same basic action body architecture with the, it's just a slightly, it's actually the original, using the original architecture except for the wings, and it has a blunt nose. And then, so once you have that, you want to fold this point, that point, down to the bottom. Like so. Then you want to make a good crease up there. And then, keeping it like this, you want to fold it up, but you want to fold it up at these two corners. Sometimes I find it's a bit easier if you temporarily unfold these. And then for other people, of course, most people actually, it's probably easier to do this, because you can see, but you'll get, both of them are fine actually, yeah. So, yep, you want to do that. Then fold it in. And then you want to kind of fold this down. And for this one, you don't fold it all the way down. So, well, you can, it's just not, the wings aren't going to be as straight, which is bad for gliding. So, and what I find that helps is if you line up this little point right there and make sure it's touching the line, the first crease fold that you made. And then once you have that, you want to fold this outward. So that it should look like this, but this part not folded. And then you want to fold this out. And you just want to do that. And then you want to crease this outer part. And what's cool about the original Action design is this part is should be parallel to this. Of course, it's not going to be exact because human error, but it's normally very close. Then you want to repeat the process with the other side. Yeah, I used to fold origami like these, but I don't really do that anymore. Oh yeah, I just briefly lost my train of thought. The next thing you want to do is you want to fold this tip, sharp tip, down to about here, like kind of in this middle area. That's how you achieve that nice durable blunt. Blunt noses are durable for the front, but they often fray here because it's being pressed and then all that force tears it apart. Yeah, so the next thing you want to do is just unfold that. Or no, not unfold. Fold this in half. The part you just folded should be in the middle. And then, do I have a ruler? Where did I leave my, oh there. And then you want, measure about 3 centimeters. That's like a little over an inch, I don't know. And then, I don't know, just make a small marking about where you need to. So, yeah. And then you want to fold the wing down at the 2 points, the 3 centimeter point and then this point. So that should be about this angle. Oh, no, I butchered that completely. Oh my, no. Yeah. Support small YouTube channels, not just by subscribing, but also by watching videos. Yeah, subscribing is important, but watching videos is a bigger factor. Subscribing is just a medium to watch videos. So for the other side, you just want to line up the wing you just folded. With the other side. And then for the action fin, you want to lift this up and let that edge get inversed. And then you want to hold on to this and pull up while squeezing with your other hand on the keel. And you just want to fold it. And then open it up a little and then crush it. You want one edge of the inner part to be as far as you can go without going under here, and then the other part is just same thing, basically. And then for the kind of wingtip thingies, they're just simple, about approximately 1 centimeter. And there you have it. This is the first generation Action 70. And then here's my model that I actually used for the Flying Foxes. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. You can check out my Discord in the description, and goodbye.